Hey, Brett. I get a lot of people telling me they've got like 1 million free themes to choose from. And I know you recommend that at least to be taking a look at the premium themes. Why would somebody use a premium theme for their WordPress blog?
Well, it's a good question. It comes up all the time because there's hundreds of thousands of free themes out there that you can find all over the place on WordPress itself, through a lot of other places. I always, these days, and years back, I used to use free themes myself, so I've kind of grown from a perspective of understanding here, but I always use a premium theme. I tend to use something that's got a framework behind it, so that if I need to change the skin of the theme, I'll still know how to use the admin functions behind the scenes on that theme as well. I'll always be in a familiar environment. I'll know what I'm getting for it. There won't be any surprises if I change it in or out. But the most important reason is updates. As WordPress grows and is improved through the open source community, changes all the time, and you need a premium theme that has a team of people that are getting paid to work on that theme to keep it updated along with WordPress as it moves along and updates as well. So that's the main reason. If you're on a premium theme, somebody is going to update it. If you're on a free theme, your chances of finding somebody to update it are going to be a lot slimmer. And in a worst case scenario, that free theme might be something cobbled together piecemeal code from 5 different developers, where a person's taken a chunk of code from somebody in Belgium here, and a chunk of code from somebody in Germany there, and a chunk of code from the Ukraine there, wrote a little bit themselves and patched it together with some other code. And if you're going to need to upgrade that thing, you might not literally be able to read the languages that it was coded in to even start to fix it up. Not to mention it's just cobbled together.
So the theme, what we see as the picture on the top, there's other things in the theme between that and WordPress. So you got WordPress theme and then the pretty stuff. And so you're saying it's that stuff in between that really gets taken care of by the theme developer.
Yep, I use the analogy that themes and WordPress are kind of like a paper doll. WordPress is the doll, and the theme is the clothing that you can use to change the look and feel of the site. So the content is kind of the doll itself, and you can easily swap the theme in or out. But if in the open source world, if you're getting a free theme, free doll clothing, you're never going to know if it's going to be a good fit for your content, a good fit for your version of WordPress, a good fit for the plugins that you're running on the site, or even a good fit for your own work style. It can have a completely different flow behind the scenes in the admin section of WordPress, because the theme can have functions, essentially a plugin that changes the way the whole thing works on the inside.
Great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Talk to you soon.